Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add Revolut 18 to Apple Pay. So let's get into the video. So open up Revolut and log into your Revolut account. So once you're logged in, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your cards section here. So on your top right, click on cards and then select your Revolut 18 card. So if you want to add your Revolut 18, so then select that card. So actually I don't have that card because I'm not eligible for Revolut 18, so I'll just show using my standard card. So for example, my normal card here, so this is my normal card. So here, so you can just open up your card, so whatever that you wish to add. In this case is Revolut 18 card. So here, if you want to add it to your Apple Pay, all you have to do is simply open it up and then you'll see underneath an option called add to Apple Wallet. So this will create or link it to your Apple Pay. So if we click on it, then it will take you to your Apple Pay, and then all you have to do is hit on continue and then complete the process to link it to your Apple Pay, and in that way you'll be able to add it to your Apple Pay. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.